Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Venice. Venice is unique, relying heavily on its waterways. The primary mode of public transport here is the vaporetto, or water bus, which navigates the Grand Canal and connects various islands. While walking is a fantastic way to discover the city's charm, understanding the vaporetto system is crucial for longer distances or island hopping. Let's dive into the details. When planning your journeys, understanding ticket options is key. A single vaporetto ticket is valid for 75 minutes, allowing you to transfer lines within that period. However, if you plan on frequent travel, multi-day passes are a much better value. These passes offer unlimited rides for durations of 1, 2, 3, or 7 days. You can easily buy them at AcTV offices, automated machines, or many tobacco shops. Navigating the vaporetto system is straightforward once you grasp the basics. Each line has a number, and they follow specific routes, some circling the main islands, others crossing the Grand Canal. Always check the destination sign on the front of the vaporetto before you board to ensure you're heading in the right direction. Utilizing online maps or dedicated transport apps can greatly simplify your journey planning. Beyond vaporetti, Venice offers other unique transport experiences. Gondolas provide a classic, romantic, and private way to see the city, though they are more for leisure than practical transport. Water taxis are a faster, more direct, but significantly more expensive option for getting around. Remember to validate your ticket before boarding any vaporetto to avoid fines. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. Enjoy your Venetian adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.